What up guys, Miguel here from Yugatech, and in today's video we're talking about the most bang for your buck prepaid data promos you can use for your everyday shenanigans. So let's get down to it. For smart prepaid users, if you love watching YouTube, then Video Timeout 25 is perfect for you. For 3 hours, you can get unlimited YouTube just for 25 pesos. To register, text video 25 and send to 9999. Next up is Smart All-Out Surf 30, which comes with 200 megabytes of data, unlimited browsing in Facebook, unlimited text to all network, and 30 minutes call to Smart TNT and Sun. You can get this for 30 pesos only and is good for 2 days. To register, text All-Out 30 and send to 9999. Third, Game Time 50. It may not be a data promo for browsing, but it's for people who love Mobile Legends, Clash of Clans, Clash Royale, and Arena of Valor. The Game Time 50 offers a 300 megabyte per day plus 50 battle tickets for Mobile Legends, which is a pretty good deal. You can get this for 50 pesos, which is good for 7 days. To register this offer, text GAME50 and send to 9999. And finally, we have All Text 60, which has unlimited Facebook, Facebook Messenger, and Viber. It also offers unlimited text to all networks and 30 minutes of calls to Smart TNT and Sun. This is 60 pesos for 5 days. To register, text AT60 and send to 9999. Now, for TNT users, we have TNT Surf Saya 20, which offers 100 megabytes of data plus 100 megabytes for Facebook per day, unlimited text to all networks, and unlimited Trinet calls. This is for 20 pesos for 2 days. If you're interested, text SurfSayat20 and send to 4545. Okay, for all you Globe prepaid users out there, there's GoSurf 15, which has 40 megabytes of mobile data and 30 megabytes for Arena of Valor. Get this for 15 pesos only for 1 day. To register, text GoSurf15 to 8080. Next, and probably the most popular for you Globe users, is GoSurf50. With 1 gigabyte of data and 2 gigabytes of Go Watch and Play for premium video access and in-game items, 300 megabytes for your choice of app, and unlimited text to all networks. This will cost you 50 pesos for 3 days. Just text GoSurf50 and send to 8080, or you can dial *143 followed by the pound sign. Last on our list for Globe is GoSakto 90. It has 2 gigabytes of data, which is pretty good, 2 gigabytes of Go Watch and Play, plus premium video access and in-game items. And you can get unlimited text to all networks for 90 pesos for 7 days. To register, text GoSakto90 and send to 8080. Now for all you TM prepaid users out there, the first thing on our list is TM EasySurf 30. It has 150 megabytes of mobile data plus 50 megabytes for Facebook, Viber, and Snapchat. It'll cost you 30 pesos and is good for 1 day only. To register, text EasySurf30 and send to 8080. If you want more data, try EasySurf50, which offers 1 gigabyte of mobile data, 300 megabytes for your choice of app, plus 2 gigabytes of Easy Watch and Play, and unlimited text to all networks. This is for 50 pesos for 3 days. To register, text EASY50 and send to 8080, or dial *143 followed by the pound sign. For Sun prepaid users, they offer GigaSurf 99, which offers 2 gigabytes of data and 1 gigabyte video every day for YouTube, iFlix, NBA, iWant, and Signal. This costs 99 pesos for 7 days. To register, text GIGA99 to 247 or dial *121 followed by the pound sign. Last but not the least, for all you Cherry Mobile prepaid users, we have Cherry Mobile Surf 10. It offers 100 megabytes of mobile data for 10 pesos, which is only good for 1 day. To register, text CMSurf10 and send to 2138. Alright, that's it! If you guys know more bang for your buck prepaid data promos, be nice and let us know in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you get notified of our future uploads. Be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Miguel from Yugatech, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Popular!